Good. Now we have our speaker body. We have the top, the main body, the LED is inserted, our speakers. We need to change the appearance, make this look a little more aesthetically pleasing. There's a small TV here. You can select object visibility and turn off the joints. Next thing, we are going to modify the appearance. From the appearance menu, select Paint. Glossy, and we're going to color this like the UAE flag. So let's select the top. And we shall make that red. I'm going to select this face. And we will make that green. I'm just going to turn off that speaker. Do a quick extrude. We can create a sketch on here. To create a circle. And I'll just put it anywhere there. The diameter of that, I believe, is 40. And I'm going to extrude that small piece. Turn my speaker back on. Okay. Now I want to make, just going to check that speaker. Let's turn that off. That one's okay. Modify appearance. Again, paint, glossy. We'll make this face white. This one, I want black. Green. White. Remember, you can use your orbit to move this around. You can zoom in and out. And the final one here will be black. Close the appearance. Return to home. Okay, we have now something looking a little bit like the Emirates. We want to use some of our advanced modeling tools. Select Fillet and select all the sharp edges. Remember, if you get this message, check again, continue, continue, then select the job status and work offline. When we save this later, we will go online. Again, fill it. Select all the sharp edges. You should have 18 edges selected. You can enter any value you like. Let's try 2, 3, 5. I'm happy with 5. Okay. Return home. And the last thing we need is to put a picture on here that connects this speaker with Arabian music. So in Google, I have searched for images of Arabian instruments. Use your snipping tool, take a picture and save it to your machine. Remember where you save it, so mine is in Screenshots 11 General 2. I have one saved there already, so I don't need to do that. Return to Fusion, insert decal, insert from my computer, select your picture, select the face, and you can move that around. You can make it bigger or smaller. I'm happy with that. Press OK. Return home. You now have a speaker which shows the Arabian culture, has the UAE colors. Take a screenshot. Make sure you include the timeline. So the timeline is at the bottom. That's all your work. And paste that into your Word document.